What's up, everybody? So I just made this video. If you saw it when it was out for a brief time, my daughter was sitting with me and she turned the volume down on the microphone. I was wondering why there was no fucking sound on the video I just put out.
Also in your consumer news.
So, no podcast tonight. I had a guest planned for tonight that had to cancel at the last minute. They have COVID-19. So they canceled. And rather than me come on with one of those last minute, nothing planned, I was like, I'm just going to cancel it. I did 3 shows last week. What I do want to do is this Saturday, I want to do a hangout. I got the idea from Mr. Ryan Hughes, Hughes Man HVAC.
You're goddamn right.
He kind of inspired it. I've been wanting to do it for a while. I've been dragging my feet and I haven't done it. I miss those old hangouts, man, like years ago, back when I was just like everybody else. I was in the comments just commenting on videos. I wasn't a podcaster. I was nobody special. I mean, not that I am now, and then they'd have the hangouts and they used to be such a blast and I loved doing them. It was such a good time talking to everybody. I want to do that again. I miss that. So I want to be able to have a hangout where everybody come in, we sit there and shoot the shit for a little bit. I'll give some things away. Some of these Klein impact flip sockets, I got a few of them I can give away. I'm thinking about doing it like 8-9 p.m. Saturday night, so let me know. If it doesn't matter, then I'll probably do it at 8. Just go for a couple hours or see how long it goes. People can hop in, we can chit chat, have a good time, and just bullshit for a little bit. So I think that'll be a good time. But real fast, congratulations to the first round of winners. So Mr. Sam Andrews is the winner of this AC Service Tech book. So congratulations to Sam. The first round of Blue On winners. The first one is...
Say my name.
Mr. Ryan Hughes, Hughes Man HVAC. He won. And the second one, I think, is James Edward. Please email me at hvacuncensored@gmail.com. I need to get your address and stuff, man. Since Ryan reached out first, he got his first choice on prizes, but I think he lucked out. So both of you will get these Blue On water bottle things that are actually like really, really sweet. And then Ryan chose the Yellow Jacket Y-Jack manometer, the wireless manometer. So James, you would win the wireless manifold set from Yellow Jacket. Please, if you can come out Saturday night and hang out for the hangout, even if it's for a brief time, I'll have the phone lines open so you can call in if you want. If you don't want to be on camera, I get it. Some people don't want to do that. Or you can come in live and you can hang out with me on camera. Whatever you guys decide to do, just come hang out. We'll give some shit away and we'll have a good time. That's it. Hopefully you guys come out Saturday night and fucking hang out. And thank you guys for understanding tonight. And also, more Blue On winners to come, but you have to be a Blue On Pro member. Okay, so go do that. Obviously, there'll be a new video to comment on. The 2 standards that are going to be in all of those is you have to be a Blue On Pro member and you have to be subscribed to the HVAC Uncensored YouTube channel. So make sure you have those 2 done, knocked out of the park. That way when the next giveaway comes, you're good to go. All right. And the next one I will reveal the winners live. But I have pictures of the random comment picker, so it's all legit. All the people were random. Appreciate you guys. Hope to see you Saturday. Until next time, I'll talk to you mofos later. Peace.